the national capital of Delhi is set to go to polls on February 5. This election sets itself apart from other state elections for Delhi's power dynamics and governance. Delhi is a unique territory with very special provisions whose functioning is partly controlled by the central government. The North Delhi Municipal Corporation is especially at the centre's jurisdiction. Delhi signifies the seat of power for the nation, and victory here carries a deep metaphorical value. The incumbent AAP government in Delhi is in power since 2015 and is eyeing the third consecutive term. Incidentally, they first won and formed the government in Delhi on January 3, 2014, but resigned after 49 days. Founded by Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party is the latest entrant in India's political horizon to attain the status of a national party, and that too in a very short span of time. Since 2014, a big chunk of Congress's vote share has shifted towards AAP to reach the level it has today. Parties contesting in Delhi registered a varied performance in Lok Sabha, Assembly and municipality polls. The BJP has claimed large vote shares and majority seats in Lok Sabha elections from Delhi. BJP in the Lok Sabha polls has won over 50% of the vote share but is unable to rise above 34 to 38% in state elections. Even as faith in Modi has been reimposed for 3 consecutive terms at the centre, the state leaders seem to have lost the game in assembly and municipality elections. Defeating AAP will mean BJP will have to bridge the 18% vote share difference. The redemption for Congress is a long road since vote share has eroded from 24% to just 4% since it lost power in 2013. This time, AAP is battling to retain its control over Delhi, which became its stepping stone to national politics. Kejriwal is contesting in the name of the schemes his party claims to have implemented in the past 10 years. 24-hour electricity supply, subsidized electricity bill rates, education reforms, and controlled water bills. AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal resigned from his post in September 2024. This was after he got bail from the Supreme Court for being arrested in the liquor scam. The Apex Court laid down conditions when he was restrained from entering the CM's office or even signing any file. Interestingly, the Congress had filed the first set of complaints against AAP for the liquor scam. Corruption issues like the Sheesh Mahal and Kejriwal's arrest have hurt his clean image. His emergence in the political scenario was with a single-point agenda to clean the system off of all corrupt malpractices, for which he was a key player in the Anna Hazare-led India Against Corruption movement in 2012. Former Education Minister Manish Sisodia, who was also arrested, has changed his traditional seat from Patparganj to Jangpura, which has created a flutter that he fled due to fear of loss. Kejriwal is contesting from the New Delhi Assembly seat, which he won from 3-time Delhi CM Sheila Dikshit of Congress. He faces Dikshit's son Sandeep Dikshit, who is taking on the battle as an effort to redeem his mother's image and legacy. The Grand Old Party is going all guns blazing, with leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi taking a direct fight with India Bloc allied AAP over corruption charges, linking him to the BJP's lies and style of politics. The party is taking former CM Sheila Dikshit's work to the people, who was the longest-serving Chief Minister of Delhi and one of the longest-serving Chief Ministers in India. They also have tough contenders like Alka Lappa against CM Atishi from Kalkaji and Sandeep Dikshit against Kejriwal. Other issues include Congress bringing AAP's unfulfilled promises in Punjab to the fore. The Grand Old Party would give up to 300 units of free electricity to every household in Delhi and 2,500 rupees per month to women from low-income families under the Pyari Didi Yojana. Congress has also promised rupees 8,500 to all the jobless youth in Delhi for 1 year, along with providing apprenticeships in local institutions. BJP has been out of power in Delhi for 27 years, reflecting serious challenges in state leadership. This is despite sweeping Lok Sabha seats from Delhi's all 7 constituencies since 2014. From former Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan in 2013 to Anna Andolan colleague Kiran Bedi. No leader rose to the CM post in the past elections. After AAP's rise to power, they have also lost their stronghold in the MCD. BJP's Paresh Verma, son of former CM Sahit Singh Verma, faces Kejriwal from the New Delhi seat. Kejriwal has targeted the BJP in Centre for not letting AAP work, with allegations of bias from Delhi's Lieutenant Governor. The Kaam Nahi Karne Dete jibe risks working this time, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi has entered the fight as BJP's face, preparing the double-engine center-state model that has worked for them in other states. PM Modi termed AAP as Aapta and took a direct hit at allegations of Kejriwal's expensive CM residence, the Sheesh Mahal. BJP has also promised investigation into AAP's corruption charges. Health Minister Satyendra Jain, Rajya Sabha member Sanjay Singh, former Deputy CM Manish Sisodia, and even Kejriwal have been arrested over corruption charges before being granted bail. That's all from us from Economic Times. Stay tuned for all the latest updates on Delhi elections and what's going on in the world.